In electrolysis of SnCl2 solution, 4.48 liters of chlorine is liberated at a anode at STP. Find the mass of tin deposited at the electrode. Atomic mass of the tin is given. Here we can use the Faraday's second law. So first of all, before you taking the formula, first I'll calculate the equivalent weight of the Sn and equivalent weight of the chlorine. So first of all, equivalent weight of Sn, tin, is equal to atomic weight by valency. Atomic weight by valency. Atomic weight of the tin is given here 119. Valency is SnCl2 tin valency is 2. In SnCl2 tin valency is 2. So 119 by 2 will get 59.5 grams is the equivalent weight of the Sn. Then equivalent volume of chlorine Cl2. Equivalent volume is equal to molar volume by valency. Molar volume by valency. Molar volume is 22,400 by equivalent valency is 2. Each chlorine is 1, 2 chlorine atoms, so valency is 2. 11,200 cc is the equivalent volume of the chlorine, or else 11.2 liters is the equivalent volume of the chlorine. Now we can use the chloride method, that is weight of the Sn by weight of the Sn deposited by equivalent weight of the Sn is equal to volume of chlorine gas liberated at STP by equivalent volume of the chlorine. Equivalent volume of chlorine. Weight of Sn we have to find here, weight of the Sn by equivalent weight of the Sn we calculated already, that is 59.5 is equal to volume of the chlorine at STP. What is the volume of the chlorine at STP? It is given, that is 4.48 liters. 4.48 liters by equivalent volume is 11.2. If you calculate the value, you will get here weight of Sn is equal to 4.48 into 59.5 by 11.2. You will get the value 23.8 grams. So the answer is